Hi, I am going to show you how to section off your paper and draw your mandala. The first thing you want to do is tape down your paper, and I have two little pieces of tape to make sure that it doesn't move as I'm drawing. And then I'm going to draw a straight line from each corner of my paper, holding my hand wide to make sure that that ruler doesn't move. I got a little light there, but I can still see it. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing from this corner. When you draw yours, you will be using a pencil. I am only using a Sharpie so that it shows up on camera. So right there is going to be the center of my circle. Now I'm going to line up my compass, and this is called the pivot point inside this white circle. And I'm going to use a pencil to hold it over the pivot point. And I'm going to put my pen inside where I want my circle to be. Okay. And so now there is my circle. All right. And I have it divided into 4 points because of those original diagonal lines. Now I'm going to divide each one of these 4 sections. So when I'm done, I'll have 8. Once again, I'm going to line up my pivot point where the circumference of the circle, or this section, crosses that original X line. So I'm going to hold my pencil here, and I'm going to use the 2 as my arc. I'm going to draw an arc using the point 2. And now I'm going to come over to this side, hold it in place with my pencil, and I'm going to draw another arc using that 2. Let's see, where was I? Hold on a minute. I lost my measurement, you guys. Oh, sorry. That's why I was on this. Okay. So I'm going to hold it here. So where these 2 arcs, kind of hard to see, where they cross right here is where I'm going to draw my line. I'm going to line up my ruler, and I'm going to start on the outside edge of my circle, and I'm going to come down. So I only need 2 points to draw a straight line. Where those arcs intersect and my center point is going to give me a straight line, and it divides that into 2 equal sections. Let's try that again. So I'm going to line up my compass on that intersection, and now I am going to draw an arc. Okay, and I'm going to line up my compass right here at this intersection, and using the same spot, I'm going to draw my arc. And there's my center point, and there's my center point. So now I'm going to join those 2 points, draw a line. So now I've taken my circle and I've divided it into 8 sections. The last step is to take 8 and make it 16. So I'm going to repeat the same thing by bisecting the angle. I'm going to take my compass, put it on this intersection right here where these 2 lines intersect. I'm going to use the 1 as my mark for my arc, so right there. And I'm going to do the same thing here. Line it up, and I'm going to go back. I want to come up a little bit here. I'm going to use the 1. There's my intersecting point. I'll line up my ruler between those 2 points. Draw a straight line. Now I'm going to repeat that all the way across. I only have to do this 4 times. And since you're using pencil, you'll be able to erase those arc lines. I can't do that on my video because it's Sharpie, but I'm actually going to leave this here. And I'm going to come over to this side, put my compass here, line it up. Going to use my mark right here. I need to do this 4 times, and then the other side will be taken care of. Line up my compass, put it on the 1. Okay, that should be good. So this is my intersecting point, this is my intersecting point, this is my intersecting point. Now all I have to do is draw my lines through the center and that intersection. And last one. Okay, so now I have taken 8 sections and I've made it 16. And you're going to want 16 for your mandala. Couple reminders, you're always going through where the arcs intersect, right here, and the center point. And once you connect those two, you're going to carry it across to the other side. This is called bisecting an angle. Okay. And then you can go ahead and erase these lines if you want to. The only thing I want to remind you of is that it's very important to keep the same measurement on each side. So if I'm at 1 here, I'm going to be at 1 on this point. So 1 here, and then when I move it over, I'm also at 1. All right, good luck.